welcome to a new video for Real Japanese Gardens. Today I'm a little bit outside in Saitama and we will have a look at irises. This is the Iris Festival of Higashimaruyama city. Okay, let's go around and have a look. If you find some of these plants, you can dispose them into this box. They are invasive species.
いやほらおじいちゃんの生まれた高田城にさ。
At this time of year you can find iris festivals all around and in Tokyo. This one here is more in the countryside. It's a little bit smaller, less people. But they even build food stalls and locals can sell their handmade items here. There's a small round pond with water lilies in the middle. And some lotus flowers too. They are not flowering yet. This will only be later in June, July. Irises are called hanashobu in Japanese, at least these ones here. And in this small park there are over 600 varieties of them. And they are planted in around 8,000 groups and around 10,000 single ones. In the background you can see some ajisa in Japanese, hydrangea in English. They are always flowering around the same time. So if visiting Japan, the Kanto region, in around June, you can enjoy both of them. There are three main groups of these hanashobu irises: the Edo varieties, the Higo varieties, and the Ise varieties. In Tokyo you find mostly the Edo ones, but also some of the Higo varieties. Usually the iris patches are only flooded around their flowering season, and the rest of the year the patches are kept dry. The fields that do not have irises in them. They can be planted with rice. But usually that is already done in May, in the beginning of May. Here in Higashimurayama are not only the irises or the tambo experience, the rice field experiences, or here for example, is for learning about planting rice. Over there is you can try planting rice. There are also 2 museums about the history of this area, but also about the history of Japan, going back to the Jomon ages. There are some temples here and an even bigger park behind this iris park. So if you ever come out here, make sure to visit the other places as well. And last word to this place. There's an official website with a map, an access map. You have to walk 20 minutes from the station. And on one route they have signs so you won't get lost. And they ask for buying their official photo postcards. So you don't have to pay upon entering this park, it's completely free. But if you want to support the Iris Park, then please buy a pack of postcards. They are only costing 100 yen. We go a little bit further now between the irises and then I will say goodbye. Okay, now here in the middle I've showed you everything. It's time to say goodbye. Until the next video. If you like it, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye!